850 pesos worth na halo-halo, tapos sasabayan mo ng 2,000 pesos worth na pasta. Ganito pala yung pakiramdam ng kumain ng mahal, no? Parang gusto kong lagnatin. Charot. But let me tell you all about it. So I went to Dusatani Resort in Mactan, Cebu for some peace and quiet. And in fairness, achieve naman. Ang ganda ng mga pool at meron ding beach area na nasolo ko. Tapos dito na rin tayo kakain by the pool. Unahin natin yung lobster fettuccine, that's 1,950 pesos. It has actual large chunks of lobster and yung serving size niya is for 2 to 3 people naman. The pasta is al dente and the marinara sauce is pretty good. Of course, hindi natin palalampasin yung ulo ng lobster para makuha natin yung parang alige because that is the best part. And as expected, it was so good. And I mean, even for its price, I'm not even mad about it. Considering na good for sharing plus very generous doon sa lobster chunks plus you get to enjoy the alige from the head, okay to, I'd say reasonable naman. And now for dessert, subukan na natin yung 850 na halo-halong yan. It is served in a coconut shell tapos naka-separate yung milk, syrup, and shaved ice. Pero eto ha, isang kutsara lang yung shaved ice. I mean, girl, that's not enough. Pero anyway, life must go on, so meron itong ice cream, langka, ube halaya, beans, nata de coco, and coconut. Since sobrang konti yung ice, parang naging ice cream with toppings yung feels niya for me. It's not life-changing and it's not exactly bad, but it is what it is. So I just decided to enjoy my lunch and that beautiful view and actually had a great time.